नमस्कार दोस्तों, प्योर बैंकिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग रिज़र्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का एमसीक्यू देखेंगे। इससे पहले हमने आरबीआई का एक वीडियो देखा था, उसमें आरबीआई के मैक्सिमम टॉपिक को कवर किया गया था और जो बचा कुचा है वो इस एमसीक्यू में कवर हो जाएगा। तो इस तरह से आरबीआई का पूरा चैप्टर मेरे तरफ से ख़त्म हो जाएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, अंडर सेक्शन 19 ऑफ द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1934 द आरबीआई हैज़ बीन प्रोहिबिटेड फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ द एबव। तो ये क्या क्या है? मेकिंग लोन्स और एडवांसेस, ड्राइंग और एक्सेप्टिंग बिल्स पेएबल अदरवाइज देन ऑन डिमांड, allowing interest on deposit or current accounts. Next, section 31(2) of the RBI Act 1934 prohibits of making or issuing of a expressed to be payable to bearer thereof. Number 3, promissory note. Drawing, accepting, making or issuing of any promissory note, hundi or bill of exchange expressed to be payable to bearer on demand by a person other than the RBI or the central government is prohibited under section 31(1) of the RBI Act 1934. Rupee coins are the legal tender in India under the provision of Indian Coinage Act 1906. In India, the system of decimal coinage was introduced on 1st April 1957. In terms of section 24 of the RBI Act 1934, the RBI may issue bank notes for the maximum denomination of rupees 10,000. Which of the following is the sale authority for issue of currency in India? Reserve Bank of India. The minting of rupee coin is governed by Coinage Act 1906. 1 rupee notes and coins are issued by Government of India. Bank rate policy, open market operations, variable reserve requirements and statutory liquidity requirements employed by Reserve Bank as measures of credit control as classified as quantitative methods. The opening of branches by banks is governed by the provisions of section 23 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Which of the following fall under the qualitative methods of credit control adopted by Reserve Bank of India? All of the above. तो क्या क्या है? सेलेक्टिव क्रेडिट कंट्रोल, क्रेडिट अथराइजेशन स्कीम, मोरल सुएशन. द टर्म मोरल सुएशन रेफर्स टू. 3 नंबर है, देखते हैं. द एडवाइस गिवन बाय रिजर्व बैंक टू बैंक्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस in the matter of their lending, land, other operations with the objective that they might implement or follow it. Bank rate means the standard rate at which the Reserve Bank of India is prepared to buy or rediscount bills of exchange other commercial paper eligible for purchase under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The monetary authority in India, which Reserve Bank of India, is bound to maintain a reserve against the notes issued, whatever may be the amount. This system is called proportional reserve system. Banks and other financial institutions in India are required to maintain a certain amount of liquid assets like cash, precious metals and other short-term securities as they serve all the time in banking world. This is known as SLR. Reverse repo is a tool used by RBI to absorb liquidity. The ratio of the cash reserve that the banks are required to keep with the RBI is known as CRR. The term ways and means advances refers to all of the above. ये क्या क्या है? The advances allowed under DRI schemes by commercial banks. The advances allowed by commercial banks under 20-point economic program. The temporary advances made to the government by its bankers to bridge the interval between expenditure and the flow of receipts of revenues. The rate of interest banks charge, its main measure and prime customers, is popularly called as prime lending rate. What is repo rate? It is a rate at which RBI buys government securities from banks. The term BSR refers to basic statistical returns. 1 rupee notes bear the signature of Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. The note issue system in India is based on minimum reserve system. The Indian rupee is a standard token coin. The currency notes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India under the signature of Governor. In periods of depression, when the Reserve Bank desires to encourage the banking system to create more credit, it reduces the bank rate. For the performance of its duties as the regulator of credit, the Reserve Bank of India possesses the usual instruments of general credit control, which all of the above क्या है, bank rate, open market operation, the power to vary the reserve requirement of banks. When the Reserve Bank desires to restrict expansion of credit, it raises the bank rate. The currency notes issued by RBI have a cent percent covering approval assets. Which of the following do not fall within the functions of the Reserve Bank of India? Accepting deposits and making loans and advances to public. ये नहीं करता है आरबीआई, बाकी इसके अलावा सारे काम करता है. ओके क्या? रेगुलेशंस ऑफ करेंसी, कंट्रोल ऑफ क्रेडिट, बैंकर टू द गवर्नमेंट, बैंकर्स बैंक एंड लेंडर ऑफ द लास्ट रिसोर्ट. ये सारे आरबीआई के फंक्शन है. एक्सेप्ट क्या है? एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट्स एंड मेकिंग लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस टू पब्लिक. ये नहीं करता है बस. नेक्स्ट, विच आर द फॉलोइंग आर द मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया? Acting as note issuing authority, bankers bank and banker to the government. The approval assets against which currency notes are issued by RBI comprise of all of the above है, gold coin, bullion and rupee coin, foreign securities and government of India rupee securities of any maturity, bills of exchange and promissory notes payable in India which are eligible for purchase by RBI. Are the bank notes issued by RBI backed by any assets such as gold? तो आंसर है इसका all bank notes issued by RBI are backed by assets such as gold, government securities and foreign currency assets as defined in the section 33 of the RBI Act 1934. तो इसका आंसर एस होगा. The public debt office of the Reserve Bank of India is a central depository for all types of government securities except treasury bills. RBI has directed banks that the exercise of verification of assets classification and income recognition should be done as part of the audit work by the branch and statutory auditor effective from the year ending 31st March 1994. Which of the following are the instruments of credit control in the hands of the RBI? तो ये है इसका आंसर. द लोअरिंग और रेजिंग द डिस्काउंट एंड इंटरेस्ट रेट. दूसरा है लोअरिंग और रेजिंग द मिनिमम कैश रिजर्व मेंटेन्ड बाय द कमर्शियल बैंक्स. RBI open market operation transactions are carried out with a view to regulate all of the above: liquidity in the economy, prices of essential commodities, inflation, borrowing power of the banks. The stance of RBI monetary policy is all of the above: inflation control with adequate liquidity for growth, improving credit quality of the banks, strengthening credit delivery mechanism, supporting investment demand in the economy. Which of the following is not a function of the RBI? वो क्या है? ओपनिंग सेविंग अकाउंट्स फॉर जनरल पब्लिक. ये नहीं करता है, इसके अलावा बाकी काम करता है. बाकी क्या है देखते हैं, मेंटेनिंग फॉरेक्स, डिसाइडिंग बैंक रेट, CRR, SLR फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम, प्रिस्क्राइबिंग द कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी रेशियो, करेंसी मैनेजमेंट. What does the letter L denotes in the term LAF as referred every now and then in relation to the monetary policy of the RBI? L stand for liquidity. The LAF क्या है? Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Which of the following is not a measure adopted by the government or RBI to control inflation? Financial inclusion. Whenever RBI does some open market operations, transactions, actually it wishes to regulate which of the following? Liquidity in economy. Interest rates on which of the following deposit schemes is fixed by the Reserve Bank of India? Saving bank. Which of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? एक है फिजिकल पॉलिसी फंक्शन, ये नहीं है. बाकी रिजर्व बैंक के फंक्शन क्या क्या देखते हैं, एक्सचेंज कंट्रोल फंक्शन, मॉनेटरी अथॉरिटी फंक्शन, सुपरवाइजरी एंड कंट्रोल फंक्शंस, इंश्योरेंस, एक्सचेंज एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ करेंसी नोट्स, ये उसके फंक्शन है. तो फिजिकल पॉलिसी फंक्शन थोड़ा देखते हैं, ये क्या है. फिर फिजिकल पॉलिसी इज द मीन बाय विच ए गवर्नमेंट एडजस्ट इट्स स्पेंडिंग लेवल एंड टैक्स रेट्स to monitor and influence a nation's economy. It is the sister strategy to monetary policy through which a central bank influences a nation's money supply. तो फिजिकल पॉलिसी और मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी दोनों एक दूसरे के सिस्टर हैं. फिजिकल पॉलिसी को गवर्नमेंट मेंटेन करती है और मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी को RBI. As we all know, banks in India are required to maintain a proportion of their demand and time liabilities with the RBI. This portion is called cash reserve ratio. RBI is the lender of the last resort to scheduled commercial banks because RBI meets directly or indirectly all their reasonable demands for physical accommodation subject to certain terms and conditions which constitute its discount rate policy. The interest rate at which the RBI lends to commercial banks in the short term to maintain liquidity is known as repo rate. Repo rate क्या है? Repo rate is set by the RBI for lending short term money to bank. Reverse repo rate is actually the opposite of repo rate. The RBI borrows money at this rate from banks for the short term. In other words, the bank park their excess fund with the central bank at this rate, often for one day. Who is the final authority for deciding the design, form and material of banknotes? Central government. Many times we read a term hot money in the newspaper. What is the characteristics of hot money? It is the fund which flows in the market to take advantage of high interest rates. What are the cooperative bank at the village level known as? Primary agricultural cooperative societies. Which of the following would result in a fall in assets price? Low liquidity in the economy. Prior approval as also a license of RBI is required for opening. All of the above: personal banking branches, merchant banking branches, assets recovery branches. तो RBI की MCQ में इतना ही. मुझे उम्मीद है RBI का पूरा कंसेप्ट अभी तक क्लियर हो गया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.